Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll learn how people just like you are crushing it with affiliate marketing, and one of them is a beginner. In fact, he's a teacher that started just a few months ago and is making $10,000 a month and thinking about leaving his teaching job with this simple strategy. This can be applied to any affiliate program, and even if you've not had success in the past, I promise you can do this. So if you stick with this, you can earn a part-time, even a full-time income and not have to worry about pay cuts because this money is going to be coming in on a regular basis. But make sure you stick around till the end because I'm going to share with you people who are crushing it with this method. People just like you. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first step with this method is to decide on a niche. The most profitable niches are wealth, health, and relationships. In this video, we're going to be using wealth as an example. I'm going to share with you a product and how to promote it. Make sure that the niche that you choose is not too broad, so you don't want to choose something like health. You want something like keto diet or intermittent fasting or something more specific. Decide on who your target market is. That's super important. And also you can create a customer avatar, and that is just to describe exactly your perfect customer. The second thing you want to do is create a lead magnet, because we want to be building an email list. And that's where people run into problems is, let's say you promote a product and then that company goes out of business. You have nothing. You want to build that email list. And a place that you can go is idplr.com. This is completely free. I'll leave a link in the description below the video to this. So if we go to idplr.com, you can register for completely free. You would just click on free products and then click on free ebooks. So these are some ebooks that you could give away, and you can see all the categories over here. If you click on business and making money, you can see all the different categories. So for example, if you're going to be promoting a product in the make money online niche, which is what I'm going to share with you, you can give some of these away for free. There's also some having to do with YouTube marketing, so those would be really good products that you could give away, but you can see all the different ones. These are completely free. You just want to make sure that it is okay for you to use them with your marketing. So just click on the product and then you can see, yes, it can be sold for personal use, can be packaged for other products. So yes, this is okay to use for your own personal use as a lead magnet, so that someone would opt into your email list and get this free ebook. Then you want to create a lead capture page. I do have a video that I did right here, and you can create a lead capture page inside of GetResponse. If you're on a budget, GetResponse is a good autoresponder to use. And then again, you can create a lead capture page inside of GetResponse. And that's about $19 a month for the GetResponse when you have a small amount of leads. And then I would say it would be best if you would create what's called a bridge page with bonuses. And you can use bonuses of the free PLR to put on this page. But anytime you can offer something outside of what other people are offering, that's going to help you to make sales. Speaking of making money with affiliate marketing, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. Let me give you an example of a bridge page of a company that I was promoting. And you don't have to put a video on here. So when they opt in, it will take them to this page and they'll see you. And you can have just your picture there, or you can have a video. And then you can put your bonuses on here. You have a link here that will take them to the webinar if the product that you're promoting has a webinar, or it can just take them to the free ebook or free PLR that you're giving to them. And then you can list out your bonuses down here. And that's what my bridge page looks like. So this will take them to the webinar here, and that they're already on the email list because they opted in. And then you want to make sure you have email follow-ups that link back to the offer. And I would say create at least 30 days of follow-ups that go out daily. And tell your story and be relatable and helpful. People, I think, are really tired of the copy and paste emails and just being sold to and all the hype. So if you can be relatable, tell your story, that helps people to purchase because they feel like they can trust you and you're not somebody out there just trying to sell them something. And then you want to drive targeted traffic to your lead capture page, because that's where people go wrong, is you can drive all this traffic, if it's not people who would actually be interested in your offer, then you're just wasting your time and you're not going to be making any money. Okay, so let me give you an example of a product that you can promote. It's called Tube Mastery and Monetization, and this is in Digistore 24. You can go ahead and register for completely free. But if you go to the marketplace here, just click on that. Once you register, it'll be the third one down here, and you can earn 50% commissions on a $997 product. I do own this product. It is an incredible product, and it teaches you how to have a YouTube channel and make money without ever showing your face. And Matt Parr has 9 different YouTube channels. I think he makes over $30,000 a month right now, and he's probably only 22 years old. Not only is it an excellent course, but they have a Facebook group that he's active in, so you can get ongoing support that way. So it is an excellent product, and I would recommend, if you don't have anything to promote, this would be something very good because, again, it's free to sign up. And then as far as a lead capture page, this is the one that I used, how to make $100 to $300 per day on YouTube without showing your face. No previous experience required. Yes, give me instant access. And that would take you to the webinar. So you would link to this page, and that would take them to the webinar. It's an excellent webinar, and a lot of people do purchase this product, even though it is $997. I've made a lot of sales through this. So again, if you have a bridge page like this, you could have your picture here, and you could talk about Matt a little bit and how you, just a little bit about your story with YouTube, or just in general as far as wanting to make money online. And then you would link to his webinar right here, and they would go onto your email list. An example is, I use Kartra right now. I'm going to be switching everything over to GrooveFunnels once they allow integration. But I use Kartra, and this is an example. This is a follow-up series that once they opt into my lead capture page, then they get these email follow-ups. And again, you would want to continue to link them back to the webinar. So this is just an example how to make $100 a day on YouTube without showing your face. And then I would have something like this. You requested to receive more information on how to build a successful YouTube business. To learn more, go here. As we continue on our journey together, I truly hope to give you as much value as I can with each email you receive. You can be rest assured I won't bombard you with useless emails, and will always keep things transparent with you. In return, I just ask you to keep an open mind and follow my trainings, and most importantly, implement what you teach. Go ahead and get started here. These links link back to his webinar. My number one goal is to help you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. I sincerely hope you do that. And just a little bit about your story, and you can put your name and Matt because you're directing them to his webinar. So you would have a follow-up series talking about YouTube and linking back to his webinar, but don't be so salesy in all your follow-up messages. Just be a real person, because I think that's where a lot of people opt out, because they don't like to be sold to, but they do like to buy. Traffic source, TikTok. And this is an incredible traffic source. You cannot deny it. There's estimated there will be 1.2 billion monthly active users in 2021. You can get super targeted leads by using hashtags that your ideal customer would be searching for. So let me give you an example. What we're going to do is, you can think to yourself, okay, I can't do this. I don't know how to do this, but you're going to learn something. You're going to teach it. So you learn, do, teach. And that's how everyone starts. No one knows what they're doing when they start. And my background is in physical therapy. I didn't know what I was doing when I started, but I learned. I went out and learned something, and I taught it, and then people just start to follow you. An example for you is, you can link to Matt's course. So let's say you have your TikTok channel about tips on YouTube marketing and faceless channels. You could give examples of faceless channels in your TikTok videos. And then you could have a call to action. If you want to learn more about making money on YouTube without showing your face, click the link in my bio for a free masterclass. And then on the TikTok video, you can also have a screen capture of the masterclass page, which is this one right here. So you could be like pointing to this page right behind you on your TikTok video. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, that's fine. There's plenty of videos out there on how to market on TikTok for business. But this would be an example of how you could make money through this affiliate program, having a TikTok channel. Also, I wanted to mention, there is a link in the description of this video to a video on how to have a clickable link before you have 1,000 followers. So you could just start your TikTok channel and use this method that I'll post below to have a clickable link. So you would get a domain name and link it to your lead capture page, not to Matt's webinar, because then again, you're not building your email list, which is what you want to do long term, not just make sales. You want to build that asset of your email list. And I really want to stress this: provide value or entertainment. Mainly with a channel like this, you want to provide value because you are telling people tips on YouTube, because there's so many people out there right now looking to make extra money from home, and you are going to provide that bridge between what they want and what Matt has to offer. And then of course you'll make that commission when people purchase the product. But I find a lot of people out there that are like, oh, TikTok is the greatest place to make sales, and then they're just pitching on every single video, but you really want to provide that value. And I'm going to share with you some examples of people that are killing it on TikTok, so stick with me. So, examples of channels to follow. Now, this is what I was mentioning to you in the introduction to this video. Sergio, he started not too long ago, and he only has 10,000 followers, but he is up to $10,000 a month in affiliate commissions. Now, he promotes a high ticket program, but this can apply to any affiliate program. And so he said basically he was just telling his story, and he's a teacher, and he does some of these videos in his classroom. You can tell that he's at work here. So you can take a look at his channel and see what he does, but he's very real, and you don't have to be some great entertainer to make money with this method. So take a look at Sergio. And again, he is thinking about leaving his teaching job after the school year is over. That's how much money he's making with this method. And he does not have a YouTube channel. He just started TikTok because he said kids in his class had it, and he decided he was going to just try it and see if he could drive some traffic to his affiliate offer, and it's worked out very, very well for him. Okay, this second one, a friend of mine, shout out to Victor Paredes. I don't know if I said your name right, sorry Victor. But he did this experiment, and he decided he was going to make this other TikTok channel because he has one that's doing really, really well. And he thought, well, let me see if I can sell a ClickBank product. So he created this channel. You can tell it's not that long ago. And he put some videos. I think these are probably stock videos from Pexels or Pixabay. And then he doesn't even have a clickable link here, but this Fast Billy, let's take a look at this. I know it goes to a keto product on ClickBank. And I just checked with him today, and he has made one sale. So this does work. This was his experiment. And shout out to you, Victor. You're a genius. But he does have a lead capture page, so he's not just pointing people to his affiliate link in ClickBank. He's actually collecting these email addresses of people who are interested in losing weight. So there's a bunch of different ClickBank products that could be promoted to someone who's trying to lose weight. Okay. These next three I'm super excited to share with you because they're in network marketing, but it's similar to affiliate marketing in that you want to get customers. They said since being on TikTok, they have tripled their customers and their enrollments, and they haven't had this much fun ever marketing. So let's take a look. Lee Davis Glitter Babe. I know she is in the makeup niche, and so she helps people with that. You can take a look at her channel, but she is doing really, really well. And again, she doesn't have that many followers yet, so this is something that will continue to grow for her. And so she's somebody that you can follow. Then we have Mary Schrank. And by the way, if you've never heard of Ray Higdon, this was a course that I bought. They had a recent webinar, and I purchased it, and these were the ladies that were on it, and they're just doing so well. This lady here is in the health and fitness niche, so you can take a look at what she does. And you don't have to dance around and things like she does, but it'll just give you an example of what someone in the health and fitness niche is doing and making really good money. And then we have Kate Higdon. Now she is in the fitness niche as well, and basically is just making food, and she said she just cannot believe how it's taken off for her. And let's see where she directs people to. Okay, so she directs them to a 30-day challenge, a trial pack. So she's directing them to products here. And again, these people are making a lot of money with this method. And then the last person I wanted to tell you about is Sue Zimmerman. And she does TikTok videos about TikTok marketing. So if you want to learn more about TikTok marketing, I would highly recommend that you follow Sue. She even has Rosie O'Donnell reach out to her for her to help Rosie with TikTok. So she definitely knows what she's doing. So I want you to remember, these people are just like you, and they didn't know what they were doing. Like especially Sergio, he said he didn't have a YouTube following, no following, like nothing was working for him. So he tried this method and it's worked out very, very well for him. So definitely take a look at what he's doing. You can model after what these people are doing. I promise you, you can do this too. So I hope you go out there and really crush it on TikTok with whatever affiliate program that you're promoting. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. How to go from $0 to $10,000 per month for beginners with affiliate marketing. Another step-by-step guide. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.